today's unboxing, we're looking at this Crenova XPE 660 home theater projector system. Let's start by taking it right out of the box. It's got this nice handle to it. When you get it, you'll find it's kind of heavy for a projector. But I think that's to be expected for this full-size projector. Alright, so first thing we've got here in our box, we've got our power cord, HDMI, whatever these things are called now, I can't remember, AV cord. We've got our remote. I believe the remote doesn't have batteries, so you'll need to come up with your own batteries. Let's see here. There we go. Wow, it just pops off, but that was really difficult. Looks like we need 2 AAAs, so we'll grab those in here in a minute. We've got some cards, our user manual, and just some cards for it. Alright, so that's what we've got in there. Then here we've got alright, so out of the box, here we go. It has a nice silicone lens cover, so that's pretty cool. And it's heavy, so that's the first thing you're going to notice. Alright, so here on the side we have the AV port, the audio out, and then the VGA port. On the back we have the AC, the power adapter, 2 USB ports, and 2 HDMI ports. Here on top we've got all the normal controls you need. And then, don't know what that's all about. Some sort of filter, I guess. It's kind of cool. It just punches right in. And then the lens on the front, you actually adjust it right on the thing, so that's where you adjust the lens and your input there. Alright, so here you see how it looks just on this is actually a tan wall with the lights on. You can still see it well enough to actually play games, which is kind of cool. And the picture's really pretty decent. It was actually a lot better than I expected at this price point. This is just barely over $200 to get this, and the picture quality is fantastic. You hear the audio coming through the speaker, and then the exhaust is pretty loud. And so that's the one thing that if you're gonna want to use external speakers, don't judge my Mario game. My Mario skills here, I know I'm horrible. Alright, so let's flip off the lights so you can kind of see how it is with the lights turned off. And I'm not gonna block out all light. I'm gonna die as I turn out. That's just turning out one light, but you can see the improvement in quality there. So really, while this would be better in a room that has low light, that's definitely not required to be able to game and even watch movies and stuff. It works just fine with light, so that's pretty awesome. Let me show you through some of the menu options here. If you click on the screen, I can toggle, and here are my different options. We've got picture mode, color, temperature, aspect, X zoom, Y zoom, noise reduction, color range, projective mode, keystone, and then if we come over, it gives us sound mode, balance, auto volume, surround sound, EQ, and sound source. So we've got a lot of different options there. I can toggle back and forth to different things too. If I want to go to, let's see here, I can set the clock, the time on and off, the sleep and the auto, and that takes me through my options there. Alright. Alright, other options, if I want to go, I can go HDMI 1 or 2, You've got your AV port, USB. There's actually 2 USB ports, but just one on the menu. So you can toggle back and forth if you have Roku or Chromecast or any of those things hooked up. You can just toggle back and forth between those. I'm just going to stick here to my HDMI 1 to keep playing, but you've got a lot of different settings there.